So let's talk about care and maintenance of your FinaMill. Whenever you do change your batteries, it's a really good idea just to check the terminals for any corrosion or rust. You don't want to keep it outside because it should be stored in a dry place. Just like any other piece of electronics, just wipe the outside with a damp cloth. Never put it in water. So if you do insist on washing your pod, make sure you hand wash it. Should not go in the dishwasher. And keep in mind it does have some moving parts. So as moisture gets in there, you'll want to make sure that it's completely dried, either keeping it in a warm place to dry out and then also shaking it, making sure there's no water or moisture in the pod when you put it back together. Unscrewing your battery cover on your FinaMill is really easy. It's just a fourth turn and open. You don't have to crank it or keep on turning. It's just a 1/4 turn to lock it and a 1/4 turn to remove the cover. Pick up your FinaMill or accessories at FinaMill.com.